Hiya, Nikki here from Dudley Dippers. Back at Deep Fields. Done the junction that's behind me. I'm now going to do that bridge there, which is the main bridge through the Black Country, over the Black Country bypass. So we're going to have a look over there and see what we can find there. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my 550 Pro. I've got Bryony here today with me. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so I've got a 1p piece. Don't know what that is. Let's clean that up and have a look what it is, because that's really tiny. It's way smaller than a 5p piece. I've got that piece of metal out and these two pieces of stainless. Bryony having a go with a 550 Pro. Okay, so Bryony's just pulled out these two pieces of metal. Okay, so Bryony's just pulled off this plastic casing, but there was a tape measure on the side of it, so that's what's pulled it in, and a couple of coins, 3p. So I've pulled another piece of bar out and just pulled out these as a nut. That might be chav canister maybe. It's really rusty and I don't know what that is. I'll just pull that out. Penny. Another penny. Another penny. Two p. And another penny. Okay, so I've just found my first scraper. Scraper. I'm going to have a full toolbox I am by the end of this. Okay, so I've got a roof bar. Okay, so I've got a hinge, a nail and a penny. Piece of bar and 5p. Okay, so some chaps just kept me talking as I was fishing, so I pulled out a few things while I was chatting with them. So I've got another piece of that bar. Pulling quite a lot of that up. I've got this off street sign. Scaffold clamp. Chav canister. a washer, 10p. And this bent up piece of metal. Another one of these bars. Another one of those. Okay, so we've had to switch to the phone now as the GoPro's run out of battery. Getting a lot of people stopping me, curious about magnet fishing. Keep talking to me for ages, but it's lovely to speak to folk. So I pulled out this while I was talking to this one chap. That's some bowl, metal bowl, very heavy. But I wouldn't want to have my cereal out of that. Hard drive and 5p and a couple of little twigs of metal. Okay, just finishing up now, starting to pack up. Had a good couple of hours out, a few little finds, nothing major. I'll see what, show you what we've got when I get back home. Right, so I'm back home with my finds from the Black Country Viaduct. So I just thought I'd go through with you what we actually found. All the larger items went to the scrap. We're right by the tip, so we just dropped it in at the tip. So first of all, we found this really heavy bowl type thing. Don't know what that would be off, but it weighs an absolute ton. Oh, put that for the scrap man. A scaffold clamp. We actually found 5 of these. Don't know what they are, but they look like they're cut off. Oh, it's got cable in the end. Look, I can see cable. So that's why it doesn't feel that heavy, but there's metal inside the cable, obviously. Found 5 of those chopped up. This twisty bar. Piece of metal there. Looks like it's some kind of framework from something. Bolt. I actually found 13p in pennies, 10p in 2p's, a 10p and a 1 cent. Some nails, a hinge, washer, 2 chav canisters, that piece of metal, I don't know what that was off, don't know what that is, a hard drive from a computer, tape measure, I'll shift it down, some plastic casing because it came up with the tape measure like that, so it, and my magnet was on that side, it brought up the plastic. Another nail, a little bit of metal, a scraper, some rods, that piece of metal, I don't know what that little tiny piece is, it's got a screw that you can screw into that end. Yeah, so that was my finds from the Black Country Viaduct. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and like all the videos. If you ring the bell and press all, you get notified of all my uploading of every video that I do.